Look at this! I finally figured out how to do a full 40-ounce tumbler wrap, even those with a handle, on the WeCreat Vision. If you've been trying to engrave 40-ounce tumblers on your WeCreat laser engraver, you might have run into the same problem I did. The stock rotary assembly just isn't long enough. But don't worry, a simple modification can easily solve this issue. The stock rotary assembly does not take the cup out far enough. I needed something to push it out a little further. And a big thanks to a post in a WeCreat Facebook group and my husband's help to make it happen. We picked up some nuts and bolts, which I'll link in the description below, from our local hardware store. It was easy to assemble and the cost to do this was super inexpensive. I had to disassemble the stock rotary and replace the screws that came with it with the longer ones I purchased. Once all 6 were in place and everything was tightened up, I installed the rotary into my WeCreat 40-watt laser engraver. By the way, I picked up these 40-ounce tumblers from Michael's, which I'll also link below. I preferred to learn how to do this on less expensive tumblers. I removed the handle before placing the tumbler in the WeCreat, and then I also bent down the pieces that held the handle onto the cup. That helps to get them out of the way of the laser head. I placed a piece of tape on the top of the cup and marked it with a line which represents where the handle is on the opposite side. And when I put the cup in the WeCreat, I made sure that that mark was on the top. I also made sure the tumbler was level, and I actually had the bubble a little off center on each segment of the cup. And before doing all of this, I measured the perimeter of my tumbler and entered that information into the software. I then sized my design and used a new feature to allow me to see a 3D preview. That was pretty cool. After that, the WeCreat did all the heavy lifting and engraved my tumbler like a boss. By following these steps, I was able to quickly and easily modify my WeCreat rotary assembly to accommodate this 40-ounce tumbler, and it turned out perfect. I used a magic eraser, water, and a little Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser to clean it up. I'm thrilled with the results and can't wait to make more. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when new content's posted. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!